Birds of a Feather is a special magical place where your dreams can come true. Our LGBT community began when its founder Bonnie McGowan envisioned a thoughtful community development as a safe haven for people of like minds. Our gated LGBTQ-friendly community is a gay and lesbian haven like no other in the world. In this secluded haven, tucked into the foothills of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains as a backdrop, you'll find an extraordinary place to call home. Our community is made up of lesbians, gays, singles, couples, and friends who care about environmentally responsible living, an active and healthy lifestyle, and forming strong social connections when we need them most, as we are aging. There are 18 lots in Phase 1 and 26 lots in Phase 2 called Hawks Landing, making a total of 44 lots in Birds of a Feather's LGBTQ community. There won't be any additional lots added in the future. Founded in 2004, we're located in the Land of Enchantment in sunny northern New Mexico, just outside of the charming village of Pecos and 30 minutes east of Santa Fe. Our residents enjoy hiking with neighbors and friends, as well as gathering to share meals, celebrating birthdays and holidays, playing games or golfing and traveling together. And the Pecos Wilderness is only minutes away and offers hundreds of miles of hiking trails to explore. Please let Bonnie know if you are interested in coming for a visit and securing one of our last available lots featured in this video for your future home site.